Y'all, here we are again for another leg day workout. Another set of more reps of reverse lunges, front squats, RDL, sumo squats, just all the leg day exercises. And to be honest, I really don't like reverse lunges. But as I consistently do them every leg day and as I get stronger, I'm starting to hate them just a little bit less. One thing that I've learned on this journey is that it's not always gonna be fun, entertaining, or exciting. It's gonna be boring, very, very repetitive. But that's how we grow, that's how we get stronger, is by showing up for that boring work consistently.
Next to rock like Mick Foley, it's Nick Joby, kill him softly, play that shit slowly. On the keys like Tony, throwing subs, they get toasted. About my bread like a hoagie. This beat ice cold, look how I ride this Zamboni. I feel like old Tiny, good anywhere you throw me. She eat a Chobani, cause her body getting bony. Late night, heavy scrolling, vape light, heavy smoking. We got our healthy habits, we been already growing. It's like we drowning in them, it seems the levee's broken. But it's not too late to change them. And refrain from being slaves to the vices that encage them. I'm writing on this page like I'm throwing hands with Satan. Don't run from all those demons, gotta stand your ground and face them. Sometimes you break, but through destruction comes a renovation. We all just trying to build a foundation.
This is the same breakfast that I had in my last What I Eat in a Day video, but sometimes this is what it is on our fitness journeys, right? It's not always exciting with like fun, new, exciting meals. Sometimes it's like the same repetitive meals that we're eating every day, but help us to reach our goals. This is what I'm gonna have for lunch today. I prepped this morning. This is some lean ground beef, onions, peppers, and some rice. I put a little Cholula in there as well.
Little number breakdown.
This is my go-to outdoor workout fit. I haven't done an outdoor workout in a while. Yeah, I'll say I haven't done an outdoor workout like this in a while. This is taking me back to my 75 hard days. This was the uniform. I have on leggings underneath, these sweats, a hoodie, a long sleeve, and then I have this jacket. It's like low 50s right now, and that's just too cold for me. I didn't get off of work until 7, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do an outdoor workout, specifically a jump rope outdoor workout to take me back to my 75 hard days, to just keep working on that mental toughness. When I was doing 75 hard, it was like getting it done no matter what, no matter if you're tired, no matter the weather. Since finishing that, my workouts have been in the garage on the bike, or like taking a walk when it's nice out, just very comfortable, you know, like it's still a workout, but like very comfortable, not pushing myself to do something that I don't necessarily have to do. Like I don't have to go outside and do a workout in the cold at night, but I'm gonna do it anyway to keep striving for just continued consistency and mental toughness. For me, just speaking personally, it's easy for me to just like, kind of get like lazy, like, I don't really feel, I did my workout this morning, like I don't really, feel like doing my cardio today or whatever. And it's just a way for me to just keep practicing that discipline and mental toughness that I was doing when I was doing 75 hard. So Oh man, that was such a good workout. That was everything I needed. Like, when I say everything, that jump was everything that I needed. Wow, I feel so good. I feel so good. Wow. I had this thought. My thing is, like, I don't want to dread the process. I have a goal in mind and I want to get there, but it's like, girl, like, when did you stop enjoying the process? Like, sometimes I like go back and forth with myself and I'm just like, are you enjoying the process or are you kind of like trying to rush it? I feel like I should be farther along than what I am. Sometimes I have to take a step back and be like, okay, calm down. You're trying to do it the right way. Trying to do it so it's sustainable. Stop letting your anxiety take over you and like chill. Like, yes, it's gonna be like a long road and it's gonna be demanding and it's gonna be draining. And yes, we have to show up when we don't want to, but enjoy that process of getting there, because you can't just jump from A to Z. Like, what about all the in between? That showing up, that consistency, that discipline, like all that in between, that's what's gonna keep you in it. Like, if we just go from A to Z, like, what have we learned? Got it done. I said I was gonna do 30, but I did 47 minutes, 4,100 jumps. Got it done, and I feel so good. I haven't done it in so long because back in June, I sprained my ankle. Just a few months ago, just started feeling better. I'm just so happy to be like tapping back into this type of cardio, because it's truly like jump roping, it has been my day one. Like, truthfully, like my day one.